Welcome to the Yarn Shop at Foster Sheep Farm, here in upstate New York. Home to our flock of Romney and Wensleydale sheep, one llama, and our border collie Fancy. We are Tom and Carol Foster, second generation owners and operators here on our family farm, where we've been raising sheep for the past 25 years. Our mission is simple: caring for the land that we live on and carrying on our family tradition of farming. Through the years, we have selected and raised our flock with one focus: quality fleeces that are soft to the touch and high in luster. Once a year, the sheep are shorn, and their wool is blended into yarn and roving at our local fiber mill. Back home, in what was once the farmhouse kitchen, we hand dye our custom colors, and they line the shelves of what is now our yarn shop. We ship our products anywhere in the United States so that you can experience a bit of the farm for yourself. Our yarn, roving, and fleeces are available for sale at our website, www.fostersheepfarm.com.
Hudson. It's one of my latest yarns. It's a 3-ply fingering weight yarn made with our Romney, our Corriedale, and our Wensleydale. Blended together, I dye in the wool, and it's spun at Battenkill Fibers.